Today, we, the student of class 6, are here to perform a skit on taste and waste. So, waste is only waste when we waste it. By this skit, we are going to recall in our daily life how we are wasting food, knowingly and unknowingly. In the world, there are several people who are suffering from malnutrition. 1/4 of family is sleeping with hunger.
Take what you need and use what you take. Food is not just rice and wheat, but also the fruit of labor of hundreds and thousands those who have worked under the scorching sun to grow food. Our farmers who are known as backbone of our country, our parents and many others.
So now I request you to watch this skit and realize what is the importance of recycling, dress and food.
Dear friends, here you can see two families. In my right side, there is Mr. Sharma's family. Mr. Sharma has his own company and has one son named Pranil. Basically, they are rich.
On the other side, you can see Mr. and Mrs. Kumar's family, who has 2 children. Mr. Kumar is daily wage worker, a coolie.
Mom, I am hungry.
Son, I'm tired. Lot of work at office.
Oh, Mom, but I am hungry.
Okay, my pilot. Let your father come. We'll go out to have food.
Really, Mom? Yeah, I'm happy.
Why my son is very happy today?
Dad, do you know today we are going out to have lunch?
Sure, son. Let's go.
Amma, I'm hungry.
Amma, even I'm hungry.
Okay, wait for 5 minutes and prepare something. Kanta goes inside and searches all the boxes in the kitchen. And she does not find anything and goes to her husband. Kumar, children are asking for food, but there is nothing at home.
Okay, don't worry. I'll go out and come. Sir, is there any work in your shop?
Yes, there is one work. If you do it, I will give you 10 rupees.
Yes, sir.
See, there are some pens. Carry it and keep it the other side.
Sir, I have finished all my work.
That's right. Take this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, God. I can buy something for my children. Kanta, where are you?
I'm inside. Did you bring anything?
Just take it and give it to the children.
All together, they will sit to it. Amma, why you did not take? My stomach is full, my dear. You all eat.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. Sir, what would you like to order?
Give me a minute. Son, what do you want to eat?
Dad, I want to eat paneer and veg biryani.
Waiter, take order. 1 paneer and 1 veg biryani.
Mom, Dad, I'm really sorry.
Don't worry, son. It's just a rice. We can buy it. It's not a big deal. Don't worry, sir. We'll clean it. Kumar, come here. Yes, boss. Clean it.
Kumar starts cleaning and thinks of his family. Mr. Sharma and his family finishes their food, but the food remains in plate.
Oh God, if my family had this meal, they have eaten and slept happily.
According to the Global Hunger analysis, in 2023, nearly 1 in 10 people around the bed go hungry each night. 14 million children suffer from severe acute malnutrition. 45% of child deaths worldwide are due to hunger-related causes. Thousands children die each day for illness caused by dirty water and unhygienic living conditions.
A child dies every 5 seconds due to hunger and 1.3 billion tons of food is wasted every year around the globe. Almost 923 lakh people sleep without food every day and 456 lakh people get food only once a day. India is a home to the largest number of hungry people. Almost 14% of food is wasted in the country, which could be enough to feed almost 300 million people every year.
Teachers and students are eating their food. Virat opens his tiffin and sees bitter gourd veggie in his tiffin.
Oh my god, it's bitter gourd. I don't want to eat it. Look there, Virat is not eating food. Yes, and even is crying. Sir, Virat is crying. Virat, what happened? Why are you crying? Sir, my stomach is paining. I don't want to eat food.
Virat said lie to his teacher because he doesn't like to eat bitter gourd.
Okay, that's fine. Pack your tiffin. Why you don't eat? There is so much of food in your tiffin. My stomach is full, so I am going to throw this food.
All the students goes to wash their hands and throws food in dustbin. Virat gets giddiness.
Virat, what happened? Sir.
Did he eat anything?
No, doctor, he is not well. Sir, no sir, he is fine. He brought chapati and bitter gourd vegetable for lunch. He doesn't like the vegetable, so he said he is not well. Come my dear children, I am going to introduce my best friend.
Hello everyone, I am bitter gourd. I am rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, calcium. If you eat me, I can control your blood sugar, help you in digestion.
Hello everyone, I am cheese, your beloved. I am a great source of protein, calcium, but eating too much could lead high cholesterol and high blood pressure. Hello everyone, I am spinach. I contain high level of vitamin C, E, K and folic acid. People use for me obesity, memory and thinking skills and many other conditions.
Hello everyone, I am lamb juice. I have many uses like cooking, baking, skincare and health. I am very low in calories and fat free and contain fiber that can feel full and cup gummies. If you drink me, I get hydrated throughout the day.
Hello everyone, I am cold beverage. Help you to lower your body temperature. But I am loaded with high sugar, making you gain weight, brings heart and kidney diseases. Hello everyone, I am roti and chapati. We are also a good source of a variety of micronutrients and we do include many vitamins. Thank you doctor and dear friend.
Don't take more than you can eat. Don't overeat and don't throw away food. If saving food becomes a habit at an early age, one can contribute towards the prevention of hunger.
Apeksha Do you know in school there is Children's Day celebration? What are you wearing?
I am wearing new dress.
What you all are wearing?
I am also wearing a new dress. What you all are wearing?
I am also wearing a new dress.
Let us go.
Amma, where are you? Yes, Malikarjun, what happened? Why are you sad? All my friends are buying new clothes for Children's Day celebration. Even I want. But we don't have money. Try to understand. I don't know anything. I want, and I want.
What happened, Malikarjun?
He wants a new
But
dress.
from where to bring money?
Take, this is what left at home. Sell it and buy new clothes for him. Pranil, did you come back? I have brought you new dress.
What's mom? That a new dress? Oh mom, but it's too old. Now no one wears this kind of clothes. I don't want this.
Okay, come, we'll buy a new dress.
What's that? Malikarjun, where are you?
Yes, Appa.
Take this, I have brought something to you.
I'm happy. Thank you, Appa.
Be thankful for what you have. You have no idea how many people would have to love what you have got. Be thankful for your parents and their sacrifices. Don't trouble and don't be stubborn. Understand the situation and the conditions of your parents and family. Hello Samiksha, come here. I want to show you something.
Hello, what's that?
Wow, very beautiful mat. From where did you bring it?
My mother has done this.
Your mother, but how?
Do you know my mother has very old saris at home?
Okay, so you're trying to tell me that this mat is made up of saris, is it?
Yes, you are right. This is made up of saris. My mother has reused her old sari and made this mat. See, there are many things which can be recycled and reused.
Be a recycler, be a saver. Increase greenery by recycling waste. The 3 R's promotes of sustainable living. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Recycle today and save tomorrow. Reduce, refuse and reuse. Recycle plastic bags and starts reducing plastic waste for a better future.